What's up everybody, Tim Vix here and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this vlog I thought I'll take you all to Yelagiri along with my friends. But before we head there, we took a small detour. Where to? Let's find out. So before this vlog gets started, let me introduce you to the crew. Alright, so we started this journey at around 6:15, 6:20 from Chennai. Man, there was so much traffic at 6 in the morning. I didn't expect that kind of traffic, but somehow we made it. So basically the group is split into 3 vehicles. Me and Sai are riding on bikes, and Vishal, Chandra, Ram and Jeff are coming in the car. So we are supposed to check in at the hotel at 12 noon in Yelagiri. So we have a lot of time. So we thought before heading to Yelagiri directly, we'll take a small detour and come to Jalagamparai waterfalls. Sadly, there's no water. There's only dirt, dust, and see all plastic waste and everything dumped here. So didn't really get to see any water at all. And on top of that, there is this small temple right over here. I would say the view is decent, but I don't know. You be the judge. Also, the route to this place was pretty fantastic, to be honest. The roads were very nice. There were a couple of speed breakers in the middle, but it was really nice. It was fun to ride. So we have made our descent to the Yelagiri hill station. Right now we are at the 10th hairpin bend. This is an amazing view from the 10th hairpin bend. And I have a feeling that the night view from this point will be extremely good, which hopefully we'll be seeing right now. Finally reached Yelagiri and now we are walking towards the lake. One thing is that we came here on a weekend, so it's crowded, it's really crowded. So many school children and all, picnic and stuff going on here. So after lunch we came to this lake and we're doing boating now. It's not a very big lake but decent enough. The pedal boat costed 100 each, 200 each. 200 per boat. Pedal boat per boat is 200 and maximum of 4 people can take a pedal boat. Definitely recommend you all to try some fruits. First, there are a lot of fruits which I've never seen before. For example, this one. They're calling this water apple. I've never had this. I'm having it for the first time, so I'm buying a little bit of water apple. I want to try them. Again, lychee. Looks very different. Dragon fruit. Paneer goa. Okay. Feels very good actually. Hmm. Has this mild sweetness. Tastes something familiar. It has a familiar taste, but how are you able to identify? It's really good. Really good. Thanks, Bob. So we had a minor incident. That is Sai's rear tire got punctured. But luckily we found this shop who is going to repair the tire. So we came to this place called Mountain View Adventure Park, and then there are a lot of activities here. There's zorbing, there's a jungle gym, and there's high rope. And then there's this thing. This thing's like a catapult. I have a video of Sai and Vishal going on it. I'll post it right now. This thing is really nice. Plus, this Mountain View Adventure Park also organizes treks. This trek is different from what we are going to do tomorrow. The one which we are going to do is Swami Malay trek, which doesn't need a guide. This trek is different. It takes place in a different range of mountains, and you need to pay a fee of 350 rupees per person, and you have to come to this spot at around 6 a.m. in the morning. So there'll be a guide who will take you to the viewpoint. But yeah, apart from that, there's ATV rides and zorbing and all that stuff. Nice place to hang out. So there's a minor update. Even I'm gonna do the same thing now. Bit scared. Done this kind of stuff before, but I don't know why. Still a bit scary, but yeah, we're gonna do it. By the way, Jefferson is doing some stunts there. I don't know what. Jeff and Vishal both are up there. So we finally checked into Yatri Niwas. This is the dormitory that's available in Yatri Niwas for a very reasonable price. So let's end this vlog here. Tomorrow morning we are going for a trek, and that'll be there in the second vlog. So yeah, that's all for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch up with you all tomorrow then. Bye bye.